If entertaining is your love language, then you're definitely going to want to see this home in the Centennial Springs community. With over a quarter-acre lot, this home includes a sparkling pool and spa and a huge sunk-in fire pit. This backyard is definitely screaming your language. With almost 2,000 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a remodeled kitchen featuring a waterfall island that completes the home.